We're being very deliberate and intentional with this pilot just to make sure that we're using the best technology for the time.
We have looked at probably 18 to 20 different OEMs, not only from a vehicle manufacturing standpoint, but from a charging infrastructure. We want to see how the vehicle performs, how the partners interact with them.
When we originally decided to pilot the vehicles, we wanted to test markets that were cold, hot, that had snow, that had all the different weather conditions, so we ensured we got the right vehicle for the right industry.
Up until this point, the technology wasn't out there to start a program like this. Over the last 2 or 3 years, they've really come along to where the technology's there, so we decided it's time to get in and see what we can do.
This pilot is not a short sprint. It's going to be a long-term test where we're going to be really tracking what's happening with the trucks.
Well, we have a very diverse fleet, all types of vehicles, routes are all different mileages. And so we had to look at, in this early program, placing the vehicles close to the OEMs so that if there were issues, that we could provide great customer support for our frontline partners.
We're not sure who's going to be the best vendor coming out of this. And so we are with 5 different vendors trying to develop the best product for this industry. We are constantly talking to our vendors, meeting weekly on conference calls, sharing information, and then our team, the fleet team, actually has phone calls with our operations to understand exactly what's transpiring throughout the week, make sure the vehicle is performing where we want it to, and then we're constantly making that range go out a little bit further and a little bit further and a little bit further so that we can ultimately see, is the truck going to make it on a longer day?
Part of the pilot program is to see who steps up above everybody else. You know, it's not going to be one OEM, it may be 2 or 3. So we're having to look at with a broad umbrella and see where we go because there's not going to be one shoe fits all for us.
With the electric fleet, there's a lot we still don't know. We don't know what the battery life truly will be. We don't know what it will be in these type of conditions. We're still waiting to see how this develops. One of the things we're still trying to understand is total cost of ownership. We don't know how long the battery lasts. We don't know what the disposal costs will be. And frankly, who knows what the new technology will be in 5, 10, 15 years from now.